Hello and welcome to I Nurture videos. In this video, we will discuss the exception handling in Java. At the end of this video, you will be able to explain exception handling in Java. Exception is anything that interrupts the normal flow of the program execution. When an exception occurs, program processing gets terminated. The good thing about exceptions is that when an exceptional condition arises, an object representing that exception is created and thrown in the method that caused the error. This mechanism is called as exception handling. Try block in the program observes the errors occurred in the program. Later, the catch method catches and handles the exception. At the end, the finally keyword will execute the code which is supported due to the exception. While executing this program, it will show an exception. The classes which extend throwable classes exception error and runtime exception are known as checked exceptions. The classes which extend runtime exception are associated as unchecked exception. In Java programming language, errors and exceptions are two different things. Errors in Java are of type java.language.error, while exceptions are of java.language.exception. All the errors in Java follows the unchecked type, whereas the Java exception includes both the checked and unchecked types. Errors occurs at the runtime when the Java compiler compiles the program code, but in case of exceptions, it depends upon the type of an exception. Three types of exceptions occur during the exception handling process: checked exception, error exceptions, runtime exceptions. Exceptions are handled by following ways. Using try and catch block. Try block is used to monitor the code. The code that programmer wants to monitor is enclosed inside a try block. The catch block immediately follows the try block, which includes a catch clause to simplify the exception type, indicating by its argument. Multiple catch clauses. In some cases, the multiple catch clause is used. This clause is used to handle more than one exception by a single section of code. Nested try statements. The try statement can be used multiple times to form the nested try statement. The try statement is initialized inside another try block. The throw keyword. The throw keyword is used to declare an exception. It gives an information to the programmer that exception may occur. The throw keyword. This method uses throws keyword to get knowledge about which exceptions to handle. Any method able of causing exceptions must list all the exceptions possible during its execution. The finally block. The final block is used to handle an unexpected exception in a program. It always executes when the try block exists. Java provides several built-in exception classes under a package java.language. Generally, the exception is the runtime exception type. There are 15 built-in exceptions of Java listed in following table. The following Java program creates the customized exception. Output of the program is simple exit. Creating exception subclass can be classified in two types: chained exceptions, using exceptions. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. Exception is the interrupt in the normal flow of program execution. Exception generates the signal when exception occurs and throw it in the method which causes the error. There are three types of exceptions: checked exception, error exception, runtime exception. The programmer can create exception subclass by simply extending Java class. Thank you for watching this video.